Good morning to Sir Wilson. My name is Putra iz'zul. I'm from the DAD1A. My metric number is 05 DAD22F1004. Today, our group went to presentation about analysis defect and distortion in welding. First of all, the defect and distortion in welding is speed too fast. This is because it can occur when the electrode is not well coated. Then it can present oil or rust on the wet surface, can cause porosity. Then it can cause a presence of moisture in the weld zone. It also can improper the surface treatment. The ways that we can do to overcome this problem is you should avoid letting your travel speed go too fast. Then you should keep the correct rod angle.
So next, poor weld appearance. Causes: the arc distance is not stable, uneven welding speed, welding with the wrong current, welding with wet electrodes, uneven weaving methods. Ways to overcome: uniform the arc spacing, standardize the welding speeds, welding with suitable current.
For the last effect, too many sparks. What's the cause? Using a current that is too high and does not fit the electrode. Second, electrode lecture material coating is not in perfect condition. Third, inconsistent arc spacing. And last, dirty base metal. What's the ways to overcome this problem? Adjust the current according to the electrode size. The electrodes used are perfect condition and dry. The arc distance is adjusted according to the size of the electrode used. And lastly, clean the base metal before welding.
So the last welding defect that often occurs is cracked welds. Among the causes of this happening is the joint is too hard and does not expand or contract. The result of welding will be in a state of height. After that, a metal cooling rate too fast. And lastly, sinking melting crater. So the preventative solution to avoid welding cracks is to heat the metal to over 200 Celsius before welding. Then cool the metal slowly, and finally use hydrogen coating electrodes. So the preventative solution to avoid welding cracks is to heat the metal to over 200 Celsius before welding. Then cool the metal slowly, and finally use hydrogen coating electrodes.
The conclusion from our presentation is there are many defects in welding, but poor weld appearance is a common mistake, especially for the beginner in engineering industry. That's all. Thank you.